Are you thinking about buying from Hongkong Tanlink Technology Co. Limited? Well, before you make any decisions, there are 7 essential things you need to know about this company and its products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether it's the right fit for your needs. First, it's crucial to understand who you're dealing with. Hongkong Tanlink Technology Co. Limited is known for providing tech solutions in the B2B space, with a strong focus on providing reliable, high-quality products, particularly in electronics and telecommunications. When compared to its competitors, many of their offerings come at a more competitive price point without sacrificing quality. But how does that hold up when tested? Let's get into it. Next, let's talk about reliability. Hongkong Tanlink Technology has gained a solid reputation over the years, especially among those looking for affordable alternatives to more established brands. Their products tend to be well built, with an emphasis on durability, which is something you'll notice if you've used products from bigger companies. While some competitors might boast about fancy features, Hongkong Tanlink tends to focus on keeping things simple, practical, and long-lasting, which some users prefer. The third thing to know is the customer service experience. When you're buying from any tech company, the support they offer is essential. Hongkong Tanlink has a reputation for responsive customer service, and while they're not perfect, the support is efficient, which sets them apart from many larger companies with slower response times. If you ever run into an issue with your order or product, you can expect a relatively quick resolution. The fourth thing you should be aware of is their pricing model. Compared to competitors, Hongkong Tanlink offers a competitive edge by providing cost-effective solutions without skimping on the quality of materials and construction. However, it's worth noting that while the pricing is generally lower, there might be instances where certain specialized products from larger brands offer more advanced features at a slightly higher cost. So, always weigh what's most important for your needs, price or features. Now, let's talk about product range. Hongkong Tanlink Technology Co. Limited has a wide variety of products, but they may not offer as extensive a selection as bigger players in the market. While they cover most of the basics, including networking equipment and consumer electronics, if you're looking for a more niche product, you might want to check out whether their offering aligns with your specific needs. Still, for the everyday user or small businesses, their range might be more than sufficient. Next, consider their shipping times and logistics. Hongkong Tanlink tends to be reliable when it comes to shipping, and many users report receiving their orders on time, which is a big plus in the tech industry where shipping delays are common. They offer international shipping, so you can easily purchase from anywhere. That said, if you're comparing to some local competitors, you might experience slower shipping times depending on where you're based. Lastly, the most important thing to know is whether Hongkong Tanlink Technology Co. Limited is worth your investment. While they may not have the widespread brand recognition of their larger competitors, many buyers find their products to be dependable and cost-effective. It really comes down to what you value more, premium branding or value for money with reliable products. If you want to try out Hongkong Tanlink Technology Co. Limited for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for their products and access exclusive benefits. This offer could be your chance to explore their full potential without any upfront commitment, so don't miss out. So, before making that purchase, weigh these factors carefully. If you're ready to dive in, make sure to click the link in the description for the best offer and to secure your free trial today.